Today we're going to be looking at some of our sight words from our sight word list. This is from the very first list, so you should know a lot of these, if not all of them. If you look at the first screen, we have read it, make it, type it. So the first one we're going to do is read. We're going to read the word. This is the word the. Then we're going to make it. If you see the arrow, it's pointing to this box. So we're going to take these pink letters and we're going to make it the word that it says. So I'm going to drag the letters over in order. So I start with T, then H, and then E. And I just made the word the. Then my third thing I need to do on the screen is to type it. So I'm going to take my mouse over top of the question mark. I'm going to double click so it turns blue. And then I'm going to find those letters on my keyboard to type them. T, H, E. And then I just typed the word the. Let's do one more together. This word is the word of. I'm going to read it. Of. Then I'm going to make it. O, F. And then I'm going to type it. Double click. And then type O, F. Just like that. There are 20 of them for you to practice, so when you're done with the word have, turn it in to your teacher.